If you're experiencing a verification pending issue on OpenSea, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received the verification email from OpenSea. Sometimes, it may land in your spam or promotions folder, so be sure to check there as well. Step 2. Resend verification email. If you haven't received the email, go to your OpenSea account settings and look for the option to resend the verification email. Click on it to trigger a new email to be sent to you. Step 3. Verify your identity. Once you receive the email, follow the instructions provided to verify your identity. This may involve clicking a link or entering a code sent to you. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact OpenSea support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to OpenSea support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, and they should be able to help you resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the verification pending issue on OpenSea. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the support team.